The American public cannot afford for special deals for oil companies, drug companies, millionaires, billionaires that get the deals simply because they can afford to hire lobbyists or an army of accountants. Republicans must work with us toward a responsible solution that doesn't put all of the burden on the back of seniors and middle-class families. And that's why we're here. That's why we are debating the issue, the resolution on the floor of the United States Senate. Frankly, seniors and middle-class families have had enough.
The middle class is the primary driver of our economy.
The biggest problem we have as a society is the decline of the middle class. Today, corporations sit on record profits. Meanwhile, middle-class wages are stagnant.
The hardworking Rhode Island truck driver paying the exact same tax rate at $40,000 a year as the person who made over $250 million in a single year. And what do the Republicans do about that? Nothing. Let the good times roll. Instead, what do they go after? They go after Medicare. This program that has been the foundation of the middle class.
We would start off by saying that Social Security and Medicare are great American success stories, and we support making sure that they continue for the future.
Every tax expenditure we do here, every loophole that's granted, every special interest that gets a gain in the tax code means middle-class America has to pay the bill for it. Pure and simple.
Those who are the wealthiest among us and the most well-connected, who receive special tax earmarks through spending in the tax code, need to know that that will be evaluated in as tough a manner as we evaluate education and health care and cancer research.
We're saying to those who are fortunate enough to have the high incomes, do something that strengthens our country. We had the greatest generation when we said people should pick up their share of the load. And there is no reason why we shouldn't now be preparing ourselves for the next great generation.
Just like families all across this country who have been cutting back during tough times, we are all going to have to give and compromise and figure out serious efforts to reduce the deficit.
Everything has to be looked at. And so far, they've walked away from the negotiating table and they have said, we are not going to look at tax expenditures like loopholes for people with yachts and racehorses and subsidies for oil companies, and that needs to be on the table.